Dear partners, I am Mr. Abdoulaye Diouf, an actor, development actor in Senegal, in Thiaroye-sur-Mer. We are here today to present to you our friend and brother, Mr. Baworé Pouye, who is a handicapped man since his birth. He is working with his hands. When he is young, it was so easy for him. Right now, he gets old. He is 52 years old. That's why we are here to tell you what you can do for him. Give your help to allow him to do like he wants, going and come back easily and enjoy his life like a big artist he is. He is a singer. He is the president of an association of handicapped people, and he get a problem to go to the meetings, to pay visit to his members, and to enjoy his life like people. That's why, dear partners, we tell you he needs a rolling chair. I mean a motorized vehicle that allows him to go and come back easily. We tell you thanks with our people, but we know all you do for our schools and our children's, and all our people tell you thank you. We tell thank you so to Mr. Sebati Job, who is president of a citizen association, and he stand up for all the people who get needs. And that's why we tell you, dear partners, if you can do something for our brother and friend Mr. Baworé Pouye, we will be very happy, and we are so proud of you. Mr. Baworé Pouye is so proud of you and proud of himself. And we tell you, thank you.
Merci.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abdoulaye.
Thanks.
So he is telling what is happening with this guy, and all we need is to help him to come and go, because it is for him very difficult at this time. So thank for all. See you.
See you. Bye.
mën nga ko jox mën nga ko jox caabi gisuma ko caabi bi feeñul waa war a nangu caabi ñëwal nii